Welcome back to Auto Pulse. Today, we're taking a deep dive into the 2025 Honda Rebel 300, a bike that continues to dominate the entry-level cruiser segment with its sleek design, smooth handling, and unbeatable reliability. Whether you're a beginner looking for your first bike or an experienced rider wanting a lightweight, stylish cruiser, the Rebel 300 has something to offer. At first glance, the 2025 Honda Rebel 300 maintains its iconic minimalist bobber styling. Honda sticks to what works, keeping the low-slung stance, blacked-out components, and classic teardrop fuel tank that riders have come to love. The subtle tweaks this year include a refreshed LED headlight with improved brightness for better visibility at night, a slightly redesigned seat for enhanced comfort, and new color options that add a modern touch. The bike exudes a tough yet approachable look, making it a head-turner on city streets and open highways alike. Powering the Rebel 300 is Honda's tried-and-true 286cc liquid-cooled single-cylinder engine. This engine is borrowed from the CBR 300R sport bike but has been tuned for smooth, linear power delivery perfect for cruising. With around 27 horsepower and 19.9 pound-feet of torque, it's not the most powerful bike on the market, but it's more than enough for city commuting and weekend rides. The throttle response is crisp, and the power band is forgiving, making it an excellent choice for new riders. The 6-speed transmission shifts effortlessly, ensuring a relaxed yet engaging riding experience. Whether you're navigating urban traffic or taking a scenic highway route, the Rebel 300 delivers a refined and enjoyable ride. Honda has built a reputation for producing bikes with exceptional handling, and the Rebel 300 is no exception. Weighing just under 370 pounds with a full tank of gas, this bike is incredibly nimble. The low 27.2-inch seat height makes it easy to plant both feet on the ground, giving riders confidence, especially in stop-and-go traffic. The ergonomics are well balanced, with slightly forward-mounted foot pegs and a neutral handlebar position that promotes a relaxed yet controlled riding stance. The suspension setup consists of 41mm telescopic front forks and twin rear shocks, offering a comfortable ride over most road conditions. While it may not be built for aggressive cornering, the Rebel 300 still handles twisty roads with ease, thanks to its lightweight chassis and well-tuned suspension. Braking performance is solid, featuring a single 296mm front disc with a 2-piston caliper and a 240mm rear disc with a single piston caliper. ABS comes standard, providing extra safety and confidence, especially for newer riders who may not yet have perfected their braking technique. The braking system delivers a smooth and predictable response, ensuring you can stop quickly and safely when needed. Honda has made sure the Rebel 300 is just as enjoyable to ride as it is to own. The fuel efficiency is impressive, with an estimated 78 miles per gallon, allowing riders to cover long distances without worrying too much about refueling. The 3-gallon fuel tank provides a decent range, making it perfect for daily commuting or weekend getaways. Maintenance is minimal, and Honda's reputation for reliability means you can expect years of trouble-free riding with regular servicing. The Rebel 300 also gets a few tech upgrades for 2025. The digital LCD instrument panel is easy to read, displaying all essential information such as speed, fuel level, and gear position. A new USB-C charging port has been added, allowing riders to keep their devices powered while on the go. While it doesn't have advanced electronics like ride modes or traction control, the Rebel 300 stays true to its simple and user-friendly nature, making it an excellent choice for those who appreciate a no-fuss riding experience. Customization has always been a big part of the Rebel's appeal, and the 2025 model continues that tradition. Honda offers a range of factory accessories, including saddlebags, a passenger seat with a backrest, and custom handlebars, allowing riders to personalize their bike to match their style and needs. Many aftermarket parts are also available, giving endless possibilities for those who want to create a unique look or improve performance. In terms of pricing, the 2025 Honda Rebel 300 remains one of the most affordable cruisers on the market. With a starting price around $5,000, it's an excellent value for new riders or those looking for a stylish, reliable, and fuel-efficient motorcycle. The low cost of ownership, combined with Honda's legendary durability, makes it an appealing option for budget-conscious riders. So, who is the Rebel 300 for? It's an ideal bike for beginners thanks to its manageable power, lightweight design, and user-friendly nature. However, experienced riders will also appreciate its nimble handling, fuel efficiency, and classic bobber styling. Whether you're commuting through the city, taking a relaxing ride along scenic routes, or looking for a platform to customize, the Rebel 300 offers a fantastic balance of style, performance, and affordability. That wraps up our deep dive into the 2025 Honda Rebel 300. What do you think about this bike? Would you choose it as your next ride? Let us know in the comments below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you never miss out on the latest motorcycle reviews and updates. Thanks for watching Auto Pulse, and I'll see you in the next video.